This Tiborang 8-in-1 frying pans is a true kitchen hero. It's like having a team of cooking tools in just one pan. You can fry, steam, and sauté with ease. The non-stick surface is a dream. Food slides right off, and cleanup is super simple. It even comes with a lid and steamer basket. This Tiborang 8-in-1 frying pans makes cooking fun and easy. The 11-inch size is just right for most meals. It fits well on all kinds of stoves, including induction. The dusty rose color adds a nice touch to your kitchen. This pan feels sturdy, and the non-stick coating seems durable. It's also PFAS-free and PFOA-free, which is a big plus. The Tiborang 8-in-1 frying pans aims to simplify your cooking life. It could replace many other pans you own. Considering all its features and the non-stick cookability, this Tiborang 8-in-1 frying pans offers good value. It's more than just a frying pan. It's a versatile tool that can handle many cooking tasks. While it might not have a lifetime warranty like some high-end steel pans, its convenience and ease of use make it a worthwhile addition to any kitchen. If you want to declutter your cabinets and enjoy easy cooking, this pan is worth considering. For anyone looking for a dependable non-stick pan without any over-the-top claims, the OXO Good Grips 8-inch frying pan is a great choice. It's practical, easy to use, and easy to clean. It won't suddenly turn you into a gourmet chef, but it will make everyday cooking less of a chore. This OXO Good Grips 8-inch frying pan is a workhorse, not a show pony, and sometimes that's exactly what you need in your kitchen. Pros: non-stick surface, includes a lid, has a steamer, works on all stoves, can be used as a wok. Also a stir-fry pan, functions as a sauté pan, PFAS-free material, PFOA-free material, easy to clean, multifunctional use, may save cooking time. Cons: color may not suit, handle could detach, non-stick may fade, lid gasket might trap smells. Not truly 8 functions, takes up storage space, hand wash recommended, micro pressure needs care. Features: 8-in-1 design, non-stick surface 11-inch size, includes a lid, has a steamer, for all stovetops, use as a wok, good for stir-fry, also a sauté pan, PFAS-PFOA-free. This Tiborang 8-in-1 pan is a versatile 11-inch non-stick skillet that comes with a lid and a steamer basket. It can be used on all types of stovetops and works as a wok and sauté pan, making it great for stir-frying. The pan is made without PFAS and PFOA, which are types of chemicals. It has a non-stick surface so food doesn't stick. And its 8-in-1 design means you can do many kinds of cooking with just this one pan. This Tiborang 8-in-1 frying pan is a non-stick 11-inch skillet that comes with a lid and a steamer. For cooking, it can be used on all types of stoves and works as a wok, stir-fry pan, and sauté pan. The pan is made without PFAS and PFOA, making it a safer choice. It's designed for easy cleaning and offers multiple uses, potentially saving you time in the kitchen. However, the color might not be for everyone. The handle could come loose. The non-stick coating might wear off over time. The lid's seal could trap smells. And it might not truly perform 8 distinct functions. Also, it needs storage space and hand washing is recommended, with its micro pressure feature needing careful handling.